Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can link pages on your Squarespace website. So the way you link pages in your Squarespace website here is from the navigation bar up here, right? Now, from here, you just have to go to the pages section here. And on the pages section, you'll see all of these things here, but you can ignore all of this. Now, you just have to go on the plus button here. And you just have to scroll down and then you can see here, link. You can link to pages or external sites. If I click on it, it'll here, see. You can click add a link title. I'm going to add the link title here to be shop test. And from here, I can link any pages of my shop here, for example, store. You can pick if it'll open a new tab or not. Now click on save. Now you have a link here. See, shop test. If I click on this, it'll redirect me onto the store like this. You can also link outer pages as well. Just click on the plus button here. Scroll down. Again, link. And then for this example, let's try linking a external page outside of our website. So for example, here I'm going to do Google, right? And you can also link all other things like URL, file, email, or phone. But for this example, I'm just going to link Google. So Google here, right? Google, and I'm going to copy and paste this. I'm going to enter the link. I'm going to make it open link in a new tab because this is outside of our website, right? I'm going to click on save. Now it'll add a new option here. Oh, I got a typo there, doesn't matter. But if I click this, it'll redirect me onto Google, just like this. I'm going to show you how to do this one more time. Go from the website UI here, you have to go to pages, click on the plus button, scroll down, click on link, add a link title. Be it, for this one, I'm going to make it about scheduling. So I'm going to call this appointment. And on appointment, I'm going to enter the link and it'll be about scheduling. And for practical sakes or for demonstration sake, I'm going to make this open link in the new tab. So it's an appointment, it'll link to scheduling. I'm going to click on save. Now it'll add a new linked here. I'm going to click on appointments. It'll redirect onto the same page right now because I'm in the editor. But when it's on the real site, when you actually deploy this, it'll redirect them onto a new tab. So as you can see here, when I click appointment, it redirected me into the scheduling sites right here.